cat on the table, asking for food. We are having breakfast. That's the human dad eating. And this is Gold eating. Came up on the table. Another one. And we have to let him go down. Another one is coming up. That's how they are. That is Gold. Ikaw Gold. Init-init pa man. Gold. Dali na kay padayon it mamakis pa payo yan.
Nagsukit-sukit pa din siya towards the end of the hearing, pero natin substansya lang gihapon kay ni-insist mag yun si Colin Estrella nga ako magsikukan to sa Forbes Park. Actually, what Rodante Marguleta is mo nagina niya gina.
It na.
Marguleta is another.
Hindi sa katkuan. Kagmay ako paparulan.
Mo lagina.
Punita niya po. Juan, kasi you won't be able to eat on big portions. He's a very prim and proper cat. Pundok pa pero lang pundok.
They came voluntarily.
Kung gawin imong baba, Gold, hindi niya tana.
Akong tanaw ni si Troping Lacson.
Gamay lang siya ngipon.
We need to be blunt about it. Kuha na siya. Gana na siya mag-middleman. Anyway, mauna nga ang nigawas wa kita ebidensya nga tumaw against
We're listening a commentary program on the radio as well.
Congressman of the 1st District of Leyte. By the way, may buntag gato ni Kabayits Almera Hinares. Ningon sa DJ mo, good morning Kabayits DJ Tonton.
Another one is peeping. Tagila na paparulan, panita ka. Tagay gamay paparulan. Anyan ba?
Anyway, alas 8:45 naman.
Another one is coming up. We cannot have a peaceful meal having them around.
Kanila gayong gihimo karon nga petisyon.
They always ask for something.
Sa Freedom Park.
Nguhit na sana. Wala na ninyid.
Lagi sa grupo nga gitawag ko tay kami naman. Asa ito sa Davao na nagsasabi. Yeah, it was launched in Davao and they're trying to.
Another one here is asking.
At least 500,000 signatures.
That's the life of a four parent.
To act on the pending petitions. To the effect nga releasing former President Rodrigo Rua Duterte.